Hello everyone, I am Prakash Saraf, representing my company Saraf Academy. We are providing training classes for national and international courses for more than 25 years. We have taught more than 50,000 students, and most of our students are well placed in their life in different organizations at CEO, CFO level. Today, my focus is to brief you relating to CPA US course offered by AI CPA US. CPA stands for Certified Public Accountant, offered by American Institute of Certified Public Accountant US. This is an institute which established 200 years ago. This is the best chartered accountancy course in the globe because it covers US GAAP and SOX, rule-based accounting. US-based accounting norms and regulations are most vibrant and most relevant accounting norms in the world. When the corporates follow those accounting norms, then they cannot show any window dressing. Because of the vibrant and global power of US and US nations, so US-based CPA course is most vibrant in the world. So if a person pursuing CPA US, he will be getting a sound knowledge of regulations, accounting, US GAAP, auditing, taxation at such a high level that he will be able to manage those affairs anywhere in the world, any part of the world, in any organization. So these courses are done by those who are very brilliant in their academic background. So this is a course for those who think that they want to achieve big. This is the course for them.
Hello sir, this is Poonam here. Sir, I have a question for you. Sir, who can pursue this course?
Those who are graduates, they can pursue this course.
Okay.
If you are a graduate with first division, or you are a CA Inter, CMA Inter qualified, or you are a CA and CMA qualified, then you have a direct entry into this course because you will be getting full 120-hour credit. If you are normally only a graduate and have not scored first division, then to do this course, you need to do a bridge course, that is a postgraduate diploma course from any MBA institute. It will take 1 year. You can side by side do this course CPA and that 1 year course also. But this course can be done only by those who have completed their graduation.
Hi sir, this is Aryan. What is the exam structure for CPA course?
The exams are conducted round the year. You can give exam whole year, around 280 days in 365 days. But the exams are held in Dubai and in US only. If you give exam in Dubai, your traveling expenditure will be lower. If you go to give exam in US, then the expenditure will be high. All the 4 papers which consume the syllabus portion can be completed in 1 year. So it's a 12 months course and you can give exam entire year, either from Dubai or US. There are 4 papers in CPA US course. One is FAR, Financial Accounting. The second is AUD, Auditing. Third is REG, Regulation and Taxation. Fourth is BEC, Business Economics, Finance, Costing. You can appear for any paper anytime according to your choice. Generally, the student give exam 2 papers at a time. The course is designed in that way that in each paper you need to score 75% to pass that exam. So student give 2 papers at a time. Generally they prefer FR, FAR and Auditing at one go and then BEC and Regulation at another go. It is easy to pass BEC and REG as compared to FAR and Auditing.
Hi sir, this is Nidhi.
How can I study for this course?
You can study on your own, but it is advisable that since this is a competitive exam, you should be taking training classes from a training provider, maybe like a Saraf Academy. We will be giving you around more than 100 hours online live interactive class for each individual subject. This is as compared to any other learning provider in the world, which are giving only 40 to 50 hour class maximum. We will be going into in-depth of each subject. We will be following 2 subjects in 6 months and then further 2 subjects in another 6 months. The classes covers our own study materials on each topic, 100 hours online live interactive class, and all the classes will be recorded also. You will be able to view the recording any number of times, any time according to your convenience. You will be able to ask your doubts during the class, or you will be able to ask your doubts when you will be doing the recording. Since all the live and recorded classes you will be doing through our designed app. These classes will be done, live classes will be conducted beyond office hours. That is, you will be able to do live classes without any inconvenience. And as I said, still when you have done the live class or not, you will be getting the recording automatically. And
Hi sir, Shushmita here. What are the opportunities after completing this course?
there are ample of opportunities by doing this course. All those corporates who have connection with US but registered anywhere in the world, or all the US companies require certification from a CPA qualified member. So if you will be doing CPA, you have ready job available. Nobody has to give any suggestion, any help. You will be getting job in the entire world by doing the CPA qualification. The average package for a CPA is around 15 to 20 lakh in India, and going abroad it will give you higher package, you know. So it's a global passport, a course which can be completed just in 12 months, and you will be getting ample of opportunities. You don't require anybody's help once you complete this course.
Hi sir, this is Martha. I have a question in mind. What is the total cost of this course?
The cost for this course is around 3 to 3.2 lakh, which includes around 1.8 to 2 lakh institute registration, exam fees, documentation approval. You need to give your original document to the CPA institute. Then there will be around 1 lakh is the training classes fees, and 30 to 40,000 will be the traveling expenditure for going to Dubai. So the total cost will be around 3.2 to 3.3 lakh, and the duration is 1 year. Once complete this course, the opportunities are endless, that I can guarantee. Thank you all of you. I have briefly given you the idea or detail relating to CPA offered by AICPA US. It's a course which can be done by graduates or professionals. In 1 year you can complete this course. The expenditure will be 3.3 lakh, and the payback is maximum 6 months. So this course is slightly, you can say, you need to put your hard work to pass this exam. Once you clear, the whole world is yours. Still, if you have any further query relating to this course, please connect classes@saraf.academy, or you can call us at 844 40 40 402.